Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow Facebook Web to access USB devices on your PC with the new update. This setting is especially useful if you're trying to connect hardware like cameras or other external devices directly to Facebook through your browser. It only takes a few simple steps, so let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook Web. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can make the changes that apply to your profile. Once Facebook is open, take a look at the top of your browser window. Right next to the web address bar, you'll see a small icon or lock symbol. Click on it to open the drop-down menu labeled View Site Information. From here, select Settings. This will take you into the browser's Privacy and Permissions area, where you can manage how Facebook interacts with your PC and connected hardware. Next, look for Permissions, and under that section, choose More Settings Permissions. This is where you'll find all the advanced access options for websites, including USB device permissions. Now, scroll through the list until you find USB devices. Once you found it, click the drop-down menu next to it and select Allow. This gives Facebook Web permission to communicate with USB devices when you choose to connect them. After setting this option, refresh your Facebook page. The changes take effect right away, and from now on, Facebook will be able to detect and connect to supported USB devices directly when needed. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Facebook Web to use USB devices on your PC. This new update makes it easier to integrate physical devices with your Facebook experience, giving you more flexibility for features like media uploads, live streaming setups, and more. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might be having trouble enabling USB permissions on Facebook. Thanks for watching.